Welcome to the Positive Partnerships Multicultural Resource page. This page has resources that have been developed with families from culturally and linguistically diverse backgrounds caring for children with autism. This brief video will show you around our page. On our main page here, you'll find links to resources in a range of languages. We are working on adding new languages all the time. When you click into a language link, you'll find a range of resources within that page. All resources are bilingual and available in language and in English. Let's look at the Arabic page. You can see a list of resources on this page. There are fact sheets, such as this one on myths and facts about autism. These fact sheets can be printed out for families to access and read. We also have translated resources like our visual planning matrix. The planning matrix enables parents, teachers and others working with a student with autism to help put a picture together of who the student is, the characteristics of their autism, and key strategies that work for that student. It also highlights their strengths and interests. There are spaces to put down how the child communicates, how they socialise, how they behave, how they cope with the environment around them, how they learn, and how they take care of themselves. There are then spaces to put down what the challenges of those characteristics are and the strategies that can best help. This is a valuable planning document for families to use in partnership with school and other professionals they work with. Some families are also using this tool to get ready for the NDIS. There are also videos with translated subtitles. These family stories can be shared with parents and school staff to learn more about what life is like at home for families that have a child on the autism spectrum. We also have more complex translated fact sheets. If you would like more information on any of these, you can email us through our website or phone us on 1300 881 971. You can also call us using the telephone interpreting service on 131 450.